Hello, welcome. This is lesson 12 of this exact course, and we'll be taking a look at the lookup function that we have, one of the older version of the reference functions that we have. So let's just look at the traditional lookup functions. Now, the lookup function searches for information. It could be in a single row or it could be in a single column. And of course, it will return the corresponding information that it may find. In most cases, it performs approximate match. And if you actually want to use it, make sure you set your criteria in ascending order, just like I have done. Set it in ascending order, just like I have done. If you don't set it in ascending order, you are likely going to get an error. So set your condition and make sure you set it in ascending order like this, so that it will return the right value for you. And let's just look at it. Now we have this student information that you're actually interested in, the grade and the interpretation. So we have the grade here, and then we have the interpretation here, and then we have our scores here. That's the approximate that we have said, that is any score between 0 and 34 will likely be assigned F, and then from 35 to 39 will most likely be assigned E, and so on and so forth. So any score from 70 will be assigned A, and then this is the interpretation, and this is the condition that we have set for our student. So let's just go on and then assign grades to them. So we say equals to lookup, and then the arguments are pretty simple. We can say the lookup value. So this is our lookup value here. These are the scores. So from this lookup value, we actually want to search from this lookup vector. So we press a comma, and then it says the lookup vector. This is our lookup vector, and your lookup vector, make sure you apply the F4, the absolute reference F4, and then your comma, and then we have our result vector, which is of course an optional argument, but it is important that we actually put it. Now, if we don't put our result vector there, we are still going to have a value. It's going to give us a value, as you can see, that it has actually searched for 84 from this result vector, and then it has actually approximated it to be 70. So even if I double click down, I still have my result that has been approximated to 70. You can see that any score that is 0 to 30 to 39 will actually be assigned 0. But that's not actually what we want. We want it to give us this grade, and that's what we want to do. So we can come back and say and modify our formula and add the result vector. So this is our result vector, and then make sure you apply the absolute reference to it. Make sure you apply the absolute reference. That's by pressing your F4, and then let me just do it again. I'll put this way and then apply the absolute reference. Then I'm going to close, and then I'll press my enter. So this is the actual result that we actually wanted. We want to assign, and it has been done. You can come to the interpretation and say equals to lookup. Our lookup value is our lookup value, and then our lookup vector, this is our vector. Put the absolute reference, comma, and then our result vector this time around will be this column, and then put the absolute reference, as the case may be. Make sure you apply the absolute reference, and then close your parentheses, and then press your enter. In most cases, you are going to have the right result. And now, as you can see, that everything has been, all the students have been assigned their grade. So you can see 47, the last on the list, D, and then the interpretation is the average. So everything has been done. That's one way. Then you can also use it to assign commissions. Just make sure that you set your criteria this format in ascending order, so that you can get the right result. Now we can assign commission by saying equals to lookup. From the table we have said, we know that any cell between 0 and 499 we actually get no commission, the percentage commission. So from 500, we know that from 500, any cell from 500 we actually get a 1% commission. And then lastly, any sales above 2,500, we actually get a 3% commission, and so on and so forth. So this is the criteria that we have set, and that is what we want to apply. So come back to our formula, say lookup, this is our lookup value. And then our lookup vector, this is our lookup vector. Then we want to put the absolute reference, and then the result vector, this is our result vector, and then we want to apply the absolute reference also. Want to apply the absolute reference also, so apply the absolute reference, and then we close parentheses, we press on enter, and as you can see, so from here we can actually multiply this to actually get the commission by saying equals to this multiplied by this will actually give us the amount of commission that is due to this employee. So from here we can align like this and then apply our formula down, and then we see, and then we have our total commission. So that's basically, so let's just put a pause to it in this lesson, and let's see one another in the next lesson. Thank you so much.